Welcome to Blocktech Brew. If you want to build and launch your own centralized cryptocurrency wallet solution similar to Coinbase, eToro, OKX, Bitstamp, etc., watch this live demo of our white label centralized crypto wallet solution. So let's begin. Let's see how to create or restore an existing wallet and do the actual cryptocurrency trading. To create a new wallet, you just have to click on the Create button, set a passphrase, and you will see a list of default currencies updated automatically. Obviously, you can add more assets later on. Now, you can update the wallet name and generate and validate the backup phrase in the Manage Wallets section. Make sure to keep the backup phrase safe, as losing it will lose you the access to your wallet and associated funds. Now, let's receive some Ethereum. Just share your QR code or send your wallet address to the sender, and once they send, the balance will be updated. In this crypto wallet app, you can integrate multiple wallets. So let's see how to import or restore an existing wallet. Just enter your backup key in the correct order and enter the passphrase if any. You can see the wallet and associated funds have been updated, and now you can start trading using this wallet as well. Now, let's send some Ethereum to any wallet address. Enter the amount, paste the address, or scan the QR code and click on Send, and that's it. You can view the details in the transaction section and verify the transactions on etherscan.io as well. Next, you can manage or update the passcode or update security settings for blockchain network, update wallet appearance, and update the default currency. Further, similar to send or receive, if you want to swap cryptocurrency, you can do that using this crypto wallet app. On the home page, you'll land onto the Overview landing screen, where you can analyze the real-time market cap, top cryptocurrencies gainers, losers, NFTs, and blockchain platforms. In the Total Cap section, you can view the total market cap value of all the available cryptocurrencies on this wallet and analyze their performance on daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. Next, you can track the total value of all cryptocurrency transactions within a 24-hour period and filter the results based on market cap, pricing, and volume. In the DeFi Cap section, you can view and analyze DeFi crypto market cap with the total trading volume using different filters. Further, you can check the total value locked, or the TVL, in decentralized finances and filter the results by blockchain networks. Moving below, you can track the top-performing and low-performing cryptocurrencies with real-time analytics and insights to help you invest right, and these can be sorted according to market cap, price, and volume. Next, you get to see a sector-wise view of wallets, yield aggregators, NFT protocols, index funds, and much more. Then, you can view the top leading NFT collections based on the trading volumes. And lastly, you can view the leading blockchain platforms by cumulative market of projects built using them. Stay updated with what's all new and latest crypto trends in the news section. And lastly, you can view all that you have added to your watch list in the watch list section. In the Discovery tab, you can get AI-based recommendations and suggestions to improve your trading expertise. This is how this crypto wallet app development solution works. To know more about the exclusive features and try this wallet yourself, sign up on the link in description now. If you too need your own centralized crypto wallet solution similar to this, or want to add any desired functions and functionalities to it, just reach out to us through the link in description for a one-to-one demo with our experts.